Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I'm going to make a little miniature pastry for my bakery, my miniature bakery, and I wanted to share with you how I make pastries. So I'm just going to focus on just one, but before that I wanted to let you know that you can find pieces like these and use as trays. Now this is part of an eyeshadow kit. That's where the eyeshadow comes in. So this is removable. I also have some flat staples. These are from a copy machine. And then I have the standard staple cartridge. You can also use these as little trays and place your little miniature pastries in there. So there are several options for trays. Now, as frosting, you can use any type of toothpaste, and if it's a blue color toothpaste, that's even better. And if you have a white toothpaste, that can be frosting. You can work with paint, and of course you can work with clay, Play-Doh. There you have modeling clay also. And right now I am going to use some Play-Doh to make a pastry for you. Okay, so I'm going to take just a little bit, not much. Okay, I would say like this much. Okay, then you're going to roll it into a bowl like that in your hands. And I'm going to take this tray. I like this tray, the one from the eyeshadow. So I am going to place this on top, and I am going to flatten it as much as I can to fill in all those corners. Okay, just like this. Fill in all the corners. You see how there's a little space there? So you try to fill that in to make it even. It's very easy stuff. Okay, I also have this. This helps. I can flatten it out like that. Okay, so now I have my little cake in there. So I'm going to make another step, do another step. So now I'm going to cut, okay, here, just like if you were cutting. Okay, like that. Now we're going to do a tic-tac-toe kind of cut. Like that. Okay, so now once you have that, I also use a marker, and the marker is going to give me a cherry effect. Okay, so now I'm just going to make a dot in each one, but the dot doesn't have to be perfect. It's better if it's not perfect, because remember, this will be filling. You know, like raspberry filling or cherry filling. So you can do all of them, and they don't have to be perfect. Okay, they don't have to be perfect. Okay, so other than that, I have powdered sugar, which I am using food powder as powdered sugar. Okay, so doesn't that look like some type of raspberry cake or a cherry cake with powdered sugar on top? Now I also have these little bowls. I'm not going to use them now, but these are great for cakes. These are just little bowls that I don't even know what they were from. Anyway, so now that we have this here, let's remove our entire pastry. So I have a bakery coming soon, bakery that I have been working on. Look how easy that is. Look at that. See? Just like if it was straight from the oven and ready to eat. So this will go inside of my bakery. And it's already pre-cut for the customers. So remember, these are all materials that you can use. Play-Doh. I don't have modeling clay here, but you can use modeling clay. You can use this type of glue as frosting. Toothpaste for frosting. Just get creative and make your own little pastries and chocolates. Now with this chocolate, you see this chocolate here? What you can do is take some modeling clay, shape it like that piece of chocolate, and then you can take either Elmer's glue or you can take white toothpaste and just do those lines that you see there, and you'll have your miniature chocolate if you want to start out a bakery. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.